Where is the fuse box located in the 2022 Audi R8, and how can you access it? What does the fuse box diagram reveal about the layout and function of each fuse? How can you troubleshoot electrical issues in your Audi R8 using the fuse box? Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2022 Audi R8 controls fuses for interior systems like lighting, infotainment, and airbags. It is designed for easy access and quick fuse identification. The box helps protect essential electrical circuits inside the cabin.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.